What's up, ladies? Jumping right in. Today, the company I will be working with is NadulaHair. Here I'm showing you all the nooks and goodies that I got. They did send me this cute little canvas tote that has their Nadula brand on top. And I also got a Nadula silk or satin headscarf, 2 wig caps, and then I got the Nadula silk drawstring bag for when I get ready to store my wig. This is the hair. This is NadulaHair. This is their honey blonde 4x1 body wave closure. It did come in 24 inches and 180 density. And I just wanted to show you guys what I mean by 4x1. It is a 4x4 lace closure, but they have sewn in tracks, so you only have the one middle part, which what I showed you guys. Next, I'm going to go ahead, clean off the perimeter of my hairline with a baby wipe and just adjust the wig, make sure everything is fitting all nice and snug. Next, I'm going to go in and cut off these little thick tabs on the edges of each closure. You want to go ahead and cut that off before we get ready to adhere everything down so you get a seamless lace closure install and you don't have that big bulky piece of lace adhere down to your skin. I do want to show you guys what the front of the wig looks like. They did construct putting tracks all the way around, so it looks like it's coming, out of the scalp unless in case the wind blows. They did sew tracks on the side. You only have that one parting space in the middle. I wanted to show you guys that. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off my excess lace with an eyebrow razor, and I'm going to go in with my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. This is their skin guard, and then I'm going to use their Hold Me Down adhesive using their actual lace glue. Sorry, you guys. I'm going to do about 2 or 3 layers using my blow dryer in between until it dries to a clear texture, clear color and a tacky texture. Oh my God, I'm so tongue-tied. And once that's done, we're going to lightly press the lace in, hot comb everything, and get ready to finish up this install. The adhesive should be clear, like as you guys can see, before you press your lace down in. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb just to flatten everything out to make my part all nice and neat. This was a real quick and easy install, super beginner friendly, I will say. If you guys are interested in getting this wig, like I installed this wig, I would say in about 10 minutes. Next, I'm going to go in with some LA Pro Girl concealer in a shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm just going to pop that into my part just to define it, make it more nice and neat and more realistic. I know right now it looks like a fine little pink line, but don't worry, I'm going to blur that out. We'll buff it out and make it all smooth, but I just go in with a precision or a flat top eyeshadow brush and just drag my concealer down my part until I get the liking of it, and then I'm just going to run my hot comb over the top one more time. And then next we are going to put a little bit of heat serum on this hair because I will be doing a wolf cut style, and I just wanted to make sure everything was laying all nice and flat before we got ready to do that. So I'm going to be using my hot comb, just flatten out the top, get it as flat as possible or as flat as you like. And then next I'm going to take this argan and Moroccan oil hair serum, and I'm going to run that through the hair, and then I'm going to pull all of the hair into a high pony all the way up to the front of your head like a unicorn. And these are the instructions that I followed off of YouTube, y'all, so don't botch me. But I just pull all the hair up to the front like so, and then I'm going to go in with some rubber bands to tie the hair in sections, starting at the base of the ponytail where I have everything pulled, and then I'm going to measure down to mid-length to the middle of my nose or to my nose, and that will be where I put my second section. And then for my third section, I did it right at the bottom of my chin, and then we're just going to go straight in with a pair of shears and cut this thing, y'all. I was so nervous and I had some crappy scissors, but I made it do what it do. So now I am cutting it, and don't worry about if the cut isn't perfect. The wolf cut is supposed to be like a edgy, unnatural or ununiform cut. It's not supposed to look sleek and neat and classy, That's why it's called a wolf cut. So now I'm cutting my second section, and as you guys see, I cut the rubber band. Oh well, we'll be all right. Keep cutting. As soon as you get everything cut off, you want to take out that last rubber band. Well, at least I did. Took out the last rubber band, and I like the length that I had, so I just kept it with that. And then I'm going to go in with my brush just to brush out everything, make sure and see what we got, what we working with. And I did a good job doing the cut just like that, but I am going to go in with my razor comb, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store. It is the Tinker razor comb, and I'm just going to run that down the edges just to make my layers more smooth. I didn't want them super choppy. I mean, I wanted them choppy, but I wanted them to look like they at least went together. And once we do that, I'm going to take my scissors just to cut off any excess hair. I wanted a blunt cut at the bottom, kind of like a bob, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to come back with my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and I'm just going to do some little messy curls, nothing neat, starting in the back and working my way up to the top. I did speed through this, guys, just for the sake of the video, but you guys get the memo. You just want to curl away from your face, and like I said, I started from the bottom and then worked my way up to the top. I'm going to show you guys one whole section, and then we're going to come back with the finished look. So this is what the hair looks like once we combed both sides. And then this is the finished look. Get into it, get into it. Again, ladies, this is NadulaHair. This is their honey blonde 4x1 lace closure. It did come in 24 inches and 180 density, but we did do a wolf cut. I am in love with this style. I think it gives the hair so much body. The layers just makes it look so volume, like gives the hair so much volume. I love it, I love it, I love it. If you guys like this tutorial, please let me know what you guys think below in the comment a wolf emoji. If you guys like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.